Hi everybody, Jonathan Scott here with an exciting business opportunity. Have you ever thought about owning your own business and working from home? We're here with James Visculia from Trading Made Easy.
How are you, Jonathan?
I'm good. So why don't you tell the audience a little bit about Trading Made Easy and how you started the company and what it does?
I've been day trading for a while, and I've noticed, I've seen so many people trading, and I tried trading by myself, and then I had two mentors. Then 4 years ago, we created our own software, but we created a manual software, and this software worked really good. But at the time, I seen people still having problems with day trading. They were getting in a trade too early, getting into a trade too late, or missing a trade totally. So I figured, well, it's the 21st century. Let's make an automated trading system. And henceforth, what you've seen, but this is what this company, we started this company from the manual software. And now, 8 months ago, we just launched this new automated software with this thing. It takes trades by yourself. It talks to you. You can trade anywhere in the world, except for one country.
China.
That's it.
I know. But if we could back it up just a little bit to explain, really from square one, what day trading is and what you do.
Day trading, you're trading. You could be trading commodities. You could be trading stocks. You could be trading silver. We decided we do the futures. We do the E-minis on the Chicago Exchange and on the NASDAQ.
What are E-minis?
Futures contracts,
okay.
Small contracts. So basically, if you're looking into, could be anything from pork bellies to farm equipment to pork to poultry to any type of product. So coal.
Now, if I can reference some pop culture and say the movie Trading Places with Eddie Murphy and
you're showing your age with that.
I'm showing my age, but is that a good example? I mean, does that help the viewer visualize what trading commodities would be like?
Excellent, but with 21st century technology now. Much simpler, much easier now.
If I can, I'd like to read this definition and see if you agree with what this definition is.
Okay.
A commodity futures contract is an agreement to buy or sell a predetermined amount of a commodity at a specific price on a specific date in the future.
Yep.
Buyers use such contracts to avoid the risks associated with the price fluctuations of a future's underlying product or raw material.
Correct.
So that's on spot? That's on target?
You got it, brother.
So how does Trading Made Easy's software work?
We buy contracts. If you want to start right from the beginning, we do the training. I've been down this road many a times before. So many people out there think they can do this on their own. I've been there. I tried it on my own first. I went and go read a couple of books, and most of the people fail. So henceforth, that's where we came in with a manual software 4 years ago. The software would bring signals in. And it worked great, but we still see people having problems with this. So I said, gosh, there's got to be a better way of doing this. And with the new technology out there, henceforth, we made an automated trading system. We call it the AMT Auto Trigger Trader. Say that 5 times
That was
fast.
my next question. The automated trigger trading software. Automated trigger trading software.
Say it backwards fast.
I can't even say it forwards fast. So that lets you trade while you're sleeping or at lunchtime or the next day, really any time at all. Right?
If we have a market to trade on, correct. You can actually turn this on at night. You can program it that trade when you're sleeping. I know some people out there that might have experience in day trading or in the financial world might think, well, that's crazy. I'm going to let a robot trade my money for me at night. Yeah, you can. This thing does it. And of course, later on in the show, we're going to show some screenshots of that too. We've had a great success record with this thing. We keep it very simple. We keep it very small. Blue is up, red is down. And the software talks to you, and it comes in with the trades.
Well, I know you're AAA rated with the Better Business Bureau, and you've been in business for a while. But if I can run through a few questions for you. First of all, you answered the first one. Can you turn the software on at night?
Correct.
And that's a yes. How much can you make a day?
That's up to the individual. For training in the beginning, everybody, and this is something that they don't teach you, where people go out and try to day trade, and of course they're going to fail by themselves. First thing we do, we train. You go into our training group, our Extreme Boot Camp training. You'll be training with Monopoly money in the beginning until you're comfortable enough to open up your own brokerage account. So it could be 2 weeks, it could be 30 days, up to the individual. So you're going to set small targets, maybe $100 a day, maybe $200 a day. And then you're going to build up the confidence. And once you see the little track record, And then, of course, you'll probably go live.
Now, I think you answered this, but what market does it trade on?
It trades almost on anything. We actually got people in a group. Most of the people in our trading group were trading on the NQ, on the futures,
That's
on NASDAQ, right? We do have some on the E-minis on the Chicago. We also have a guy trading Forex with it, and he's doing okay with it. And our tech department trades crude with it. So the software is very virtual. It's amazing how big this thing has taken off and what this thing does.
So you can trade different markets with it.
Correct.
Can you set daily targets?
Absolutely.
Next question is there training involved? We've kind of talked about that a little bit.
Correct.
We'll get more in depth in it, but how much experience do you personally have in this industry?
8 years now. Going on 8 years. I can't believe it.
Well, again, it's called Trading Made Easy at 1-800-971-4160. The number again is 800-971-4160. Or visit the website at www, of course, TME for Trading Made Easy show.com. That's TME show.com. We're going to come back with Dr. Chris and some more guests and people who are actual members of Trading Made Easy, so stay right where you are. Hi everybody, Jonathan Scott with Trading Made Easy with an exciting business opportunity. Have you ever thought about owning your own business and working from home? With a few simple settings on your home computer, you can run your business from anywhere. No sales are involved. It's not an MLM, multi-level marketing company. Here to talk about his company is James Visculia from Trading Made Easy and our guest, Dr. Chris.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
Wonderful to meet you.
Good to see you again.
I work in healthcare here in Las Vegas, and I've always been very curious about the day trading and the EA, so the expert advisor trading, the automated systems. Tell me a little bit about the position sizes.
Well, first, let's go over, there's a lot of the technology is getting so advanced now. We're in the 21st century, and where I'm going with this is we've took all the mumbo jumbo out of day trading.
Thank God.
Oh yeah, it's so easy. We have a lot of members in our group, and where I'm going with this is we simplified this. Anybody can do this. And this thing takes trades better than Warren Buffett, Jimmy Buffett combined. And that's
I
true.
like that.
After your training, like I said, we make sure mandatory, at least minimum 2 weeks to 30 days, and everybody's different. You'll open up your own brokerage account.
Okay.
The minimum you can start with $1,000.
That's not bad. That's nothing.
Nothing. There is an old saying that, and it's so far, especially with the old day traders or the old rumors, as I call it. I get so many people, they call our office or they call our ads on the internet and they go, well, I felt you need 20,000 or 25,000 to start day trading with. No, you don't. It's very simple. So you don't need a huge bankroll with this to start this small little business that you run from your house. And it's not a game either. You got to take it serious. This is a real business. And once you put that $1,000 in, you'll start small. Contracts are only $20.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's
not bad.
You'll have a leverage of 5% of that.
Okay, so you start with the 5% leverage of that, and depending on the volatility of the market, how would I know as a user when to intervene? So I think that's one of the biggest fears is that we have the automated system there that takes the psychological component out of the trading, so I'm not emotional. Right, so I'm not as emotional. Once I see something go down, I'm like, I want to get in there and try to fix it. But tell me, how do I know when I need to intervene?
Software does it for you. Takes the trades.
Really?
Takes the trades automatically.
That's fantastic. How would that interpret as far as like sense at risk? Like people talk about sense at risk. Tell me a little bit about that.
We take all the risks out.
Okay.
We really do. And seeing is believing. As you know, we let everybody and we let the whole public, we welcome everybody with open arms to go to our website, tmeshow.com, and sign on for our live trading sessions that we do every day from Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Pacific time.
Okay.
And watch it. Seeing is believing. We have a beautiful track record here. I know, Jonathan, I think we're going to be bringing up some screenshots of the actual software.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that.
People can see the products of it. I know you're new to this, and you're just getting into this, and you've seen it before. But the software is so simple. We simplified this. There's no mumbo jumbo on the charts. We just blew us up, read us down. The software talks to you when the trades come in, and then when it gets out of the trade, it talks to you. and tells it it's finished. It hits daily target. It will tell you daily target is hit.
That's fantastic.
So you can be anywhere in your room, office. I've left it trade at night before and woke up while I'm sleeping.
That's perfect for my schedule because, you know, working graveyard for us, especially in a hospital setting, we're up at 4 a.m.
Absolutely. And you don't have to quit your JOB to do this.
That's another thing. We don't want to have to stop our day job because this is so new. We like to just dip our toe in it. And you're telling me that with the training program and the modules, it's easy to adapt?
Yep, with our extreme boot camp training that we do at nighttime on Tuesdays at 5:30 p.m. That's for members only. And our training Facebook page for only members only at Trading Made Easy. We have videos, we have PDF files for you guys, everything. So we made this very simple.
Well, again, it's called Trading Made Easy at 1-800-971-4160. The number again is 800-971-4160. And you can watch Trading Made Easy for free for 4 days. And go to the website, www.tme for Trading Made Easy, tmeshow.com. Stay right where you are. We're going to be back with more on Trading Made Easy. Hi everybody, Jonathan Scott with Trading Made Easy. Have you ever thought about owning your own business and working from home? Well, our friend James Visculia from Trading Made Easy is going to talk about his automated software program. Software is easy to set up and no experience is needed. You can even watch the software live for the first few days. Small investments are required. We've got some members that have been making incredible money. Seeing is believing. James Visculia, what do you have to say about our guests that are be joining us right now?
How are you again? We have two members here that's been with our group for 2 years now. They started with our manual software. And of course, 8 months ago, we came up with the automated trigger software. And this is Tim and Carol.
So our topic for this segment is how do you make money, James? How do you make money with Trading Made Easy?
First, you go through the training, a very simple training that we have. Anywhere from 2 weeks to 30 days, and it all depends on the individual. Some people are longer, and we're adults, it doesn't matter. Once you're through the training process, you will open up your own brokerage account. Minimum investment is $1,000. That, you'll start trading 1 and 2 contracts. They're only $20 contracts. So if you trade 3 contracts, and of course the software will start taking trades. You program it. If you want it to come on for 2 hours, that's fine. If you want it to come on for 4 hours a day, you want to set it for training at night, that's fine. And obviously, when you wake up, you'll have set a daily target. So in the beginning that you'll be only setting maybe for $200 a day. Say you want to go small. That's fine. Let it run.
So Carol, let me start with you. You've been at it for a couple of years now. In training period, how long did it take you to get acclimated and start using the software where you felt comfortable?
I took 2 months. I took a little longer than the average person.
And did you have any specific goals when you started? Did you start small like James is suggesting, or how did you just dive in?
No, I started small, 1 contract, and built from there. So
there you go.
And Tim, how about you? Did you do the same thing? Did you go big? How long did it take you to get used to it and get started?
Yeah, basically the same thing. I took my time with it because I'm really conservative. So yeah, once I got the account opened, and then you practice with the monopoly money, and you get so you're proficient that you keep taking positive trades. And yeah, I started out with just a $20 contract, and I trade two and 3 contracts now. Mm-hmm. And yeah, it works out great. I love doing it. It's a lot of fun.
Now, James, is it when you're training people, does it make any difference if they're buying or selling, if they're going on the futures? Can you explain that a little bit?
We go long or short, it doesn't matter. We short the market, we go long. As long as the market's trending, we make money. And speaking of training, something that we came up with about 4 months ago, what's awesome, we call it the acid test. And what that is we actually filled the fund up with anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000 of monopoly money. And we tell people, here you go, try it, get used to the software, get used to the settings. And me and Tim were talking about that. And the cool part about this, see if you can double that. And it doesn't matter if it takes 2 weeks, a week, 3 weeks, 2 months. And that's the way we figure that then you're confident enough to open up and start trading real money. So we go a little bit longer for the training, where I've seen so many competitors that don't train. There's companies out there, my competitors, they sell software and they're on your own, and that's it. You might have a tech support number. If you're lucky, we have tech support. We have an 8 number. We have 800 number with 24 hours, 7 days a week answering service. Another thing too, you're actually getting something. There's some trading companies out there. All they do is train you on stocks, currency trading, forex trading, crude trading, silver, gold. And then you're on your own after you stop paying them. Here we're always doing the sessions. We've been doing sessions for 4 years now and going strong. So we're always there as long as the market's open, of course, Monday through Friday. We always got somebody there doing sessions. So there's a difference between the training where we want you to succeed at this. So henceforth, we have all this training and all this.
So you've got one-on-one training. You've
Correct.
got computer software downloading. You run them through it.
Correct.
And you've got a few days, 3, maybe 4 days of training to get people acclimated to it. And again, if people want to try it, you can go to the website at tmeshow.com, www.tme for Trading Made Easy show.com, or you can call 1-800-971-4160. The number again is 800-971-4160. We're going to take a little break and come back with Tim and Carol and get more in depth in some of the charts and see some of the progress that you've made here with Trading Made Easy. Hey everybody, Jonathan Scott with Trading Made Easy with an exciting business opportunity. Have you ever thought about owning your own business and working from home? We're here with James Visculia from Trading Made Easy, and with a few simple settings on your home computer, you can run your business from anywhere. No sales are involved, not an MLM, multi-level marketing company. Software is easy to set up. No experience is needed. You can even watch the software for free for the first few days. Small investments required, and we've got some members here joining us. We've got Carol and Tim. James, you want to get into a little bit about how you run the software?
Absolutely. Carol and Tim's been in the group now for 2 years now. It's amazing it's that long. They heard us on our other financial show on one of the networks. I had a radio show for 2 years here locally. And of course, you guys called the 800 number and you got into our manual software. Now, henceforth, we have the automated software. It takes trades for you. For instance, Carol, what do you set a daily target at?
Usually it's $300 for the day. Sometimes I shoot a little higher depending on the market.
Absolutely. And you can do that anytime, every day. And you can walk around your house.
I do.
Watch TV, cook, and the software talks to you.
Yes, it does. And I've forgotten and left it on, and it talks. Then I realize I'm in the live mode and run back to the table.
All right. And then you hit the daily target and you're done for the day. Very simple. Tim, what are you setting daily targets at usually?
I like to set mine at $500 a day. Mm-hmm. And I hit that around usually over 80% of the time.
I was going to say too, what are you guys running last month? What did you guys run for the percentage of your software? I think you were at what, 83?
I was at 84.
Wow, that's phenomenal.
Yeah.
And you were at what?
I generally run between 85 and 90.
85% in day trade. That's unheard of. And last October, I ran at 91% with this software. And you know what they say, seeing is believing. We have the proof in the pudding.
Yeah. Well, it's an automated trigger trading software. It trades at night when you're sleeping until lunchtime the next day. You can just let it go, and basically you can just have fun with it. And you know how hard and frustrating some programs are, but this is simple. James, can we take a look at one of the graphs that demonstrates a target? Okay, do you want to talk about it?
Here, this particular software, as you can see, it actually pops in. So when it hits daily targets, it will actually talk to you. It'll say, daily target filled. And then, of course, the software will stop. That was one trade on the market when I was sleeping. I was sleeping. Think about this. Now, does it do it every day? Absolutely not. Blue is up, red is down. Some days it might be 1,200. Some days it might be 500. And look how hard most people in our country and other countries work. What would it take for them to make that? And we have people in their group doing this daily.
Well, we're going to invite the viewers to sit in on a live trading session for 3 to 4 days, see how the software works, make your own decisions on if the software is a good fit for you, see the automated software running, live with talk to real people, talk to the members, and maybe join a trading group with some other people who've purchased the software themselves, and call the 800 number, 1-800-971-4160. The number again is 800-971-4160 at tmeshow.com, tmeshow.com. Anything else you want to add to about Trading Made Easy?
Nothing. At the end, I know we got more screenshots with it. We take screenshots every day, so we keep records of this since this software's been out. So we have the proof and the technology, and it's just amazing what we're doing with this and where this is going to take the next level in day trading too, especially for institutional trading out there too. We have a bunch of institutions now looking at doing this software, and of course we have to go train them first. So,
well, the other thing is you do have social responsibility, and you do support some local charities. You want to talk about the charities that you give?
Yes, we do. One thing too, it's always good to give back. Our company does. We donate monthly to the Wounded Warrior Project, St. Jude's Children's Research Children's Hospital, and the ASPCA too. And they've been wonderful too. We're actually going to be doing a poker tournament with St. Jude's Children's Hospital. All the donations will go with that, and we'll be one of the sponsors too, and we'll be interacting with them. And actually, you, Jonathan, is going to be on there too.
Well, for more information, go to the website at tmeshow.com. I want to thank Carol, Tim, James Visculia, and
Thank
again,
you.
for more information, call the number, 1-800-971-4160. The number again is 800-971-4160, or visit the website at tmeshow.com.